Hi, good morning everyone, and welcome to Kit Car Mecca. We are at Malvern, no longer Stoneleigh. The National Kit Car Show is now here. AK are here, they've got their GT40, just got through IVA. We've got MK here, they've got the new Honda engine car. Also, show sponsor, we've got XES Design, they've got the new four-wheel drive Dieci, which is an incredible piece of machinery, really great car to see. And then coming up on your right will be Hawk. Now they've got some beautiful cars, lovely Stratos replica, and they've got the new Stratos with a steel centre tub. Really great car to look at. You've got to look closely to see the difference. And then out in the field, we've got the club stands are all filling up. So it's really looking like we are going to have an absolutely fantastic day here at Malvern. So please get yourself down here. The show's on all weekend. It's June the 3rd today and June the 4th tomorrow. So come and join us. Have a great day.